Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. In this video, I'll talk about history command in Linux operating system and how you can check history in Linux, how to hide history in Linux, how to delete history, and we also talk about some other concept of history. As if you're a beginner in using Linux OS, then you might have to know about this, as this video will help you to have a strong basic on Linux operating system to strong your basics in Linux operating system. So don't skip the video and watch the full video, and let's get started. So now open your terminal and first type history command, HISTORY. So with the history command you can see your history of command you used in your terminal. You can also execute the command by the number of history, as let's try to execute the history number 106. So for that you need to simply type exclamation and the number 106, that is your history number, and simply press enter. By pressing enter you execute the following command. When you press your up arrow key, you see the command name shows despite of the number you enter. So this is a one method to execute a command by the history. So you can also reverse search the history. So you need to just press Ctrl R, and let's say when you type L, it shows the most related command to L, and it shows the ls command, and when you press enter it executes the command. Same process, you see ls despite of the L you typed. So this is how you can search the history, execute the command from the history. And now one thing more. So the by default history size is 1000 lines. So you can't see more than 1000 lines of history in your terminal. But you can change it. How you can change it? Let's see. By entering the script file, just enter vi.bash rc and enter. So by pressing vi.bash rc you enter in .bash rc file. In the .bash rc file you can simply press I and change the number, that hist size is equal to 1000. You can change it to, let's say, 10, and press escape and then colon and wq and enter. Now if you check your history, enter. Oh, so for that, this is the permanent entry in the bash rc file. So to execute the file you need to re-enter your terminal again. So simply close it and open your terminal again, and now type history, enter. So you see, you now only see last 10 lines of history, as from 116 to 125. So this is a permanent entry. You can change the history size by temporary mode in the terminal in the live environment. Let's say you want to set history to 20. So now let's see, you want to change the history size in temporary environment. Let's type HISTIZSIZE is equal to 5, enter. Now check history, enter. So now you can see only last 5 number of lines, but after you close it and reopen it again, your history size is now changed to 10. This is because you change the configuration file, the script file. You enter in the script file, that is .bash rc. So every time you open your terminal, this command will execute and the history size will change to 10. Now, one thing more. You see there's a hist file size 2000. What's that meaning? This is, let's escape and q. So when you type vi dot bash rc bash history, that's the file in which the history stores. So this file stores last 2000 command, and this file shows you the 2000 lines of history, but you can change it from the configuration file or by temporary command. So you know how to do it. So let's move to another thing you can do with the history command. So let's first check the history, enter, and now enter command set plus o and history. What this command can do? So this command hide your history, or you can say do anything in when you open incognito mode in any browser, history never saves. This is same as the incognito mode. So when you tap ls, let's say ls-l, and now history never saves. If you want to save your history and want to move to normal mode, replace the plus with the minus and enter, and now history. So now your every command will save in the history. So this is all about the history. Last thing, you can how to clear the history. History -c. This command will clear the history. When you check history, only history command shows because you type in now, and all the previous command will delete it from the history. So that's all about the history command. Now this is the end of the video. If you like my video, do hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel techyrators. Now bye.